Nonghikai School ad hoc hapo kashetri jangka Federation of All School Teacher Association FASTM henne kasngi haka atarik naitung arja arpuan haka jingyalam jang usamla Mayborn Lyngdoh ulayo ban aya ka jingkren hakmat jang kipara Nonghikai kabala long ha additional secretariat usamla Mayborn ula ong bahadian balayo banya kendui au sebut menteri ubak presiden tensong henen kasngi ubak presiden tensong ula ong baka jingbomla ban approve ya ka demand haka cabinet meeting kabala len Ulaong bana kadaw ka jingbom poy menteri jang kapuli puthi ubalak men rumpui den nakidaw bom lakyar kumta nakaliang jang Nonghikai haringkat ke jingalam jang usamla Mayborn henne ka step jang ka artarik naitung wat lahadin baki layo banya kendu yo menteri uba presiden tensong ulaken tu ya Nonghikai baki mino na secretariat banlit no shala ki jang kiyeng henre nakaliang jang baro Nonghikai kilayo banrai bakin dang beteng biang jingsyong bat sa miet ha additional secretariat hadu bakin dayo e ka jingdawa bat ka hok
Some of the leaders of the TMC were here. So yesterday there was this news that after they took the statement from Preston Tinsang, they shift the story to a part where I was talking to George from TMC. So let me be very clear, I have also talked to all the people who came here. I have talked to the people who I have never seen in my life. I've talked to the people who came from every nook and corner. There are more than 30 groups of people who have come forward to help us. How can that be a political issue? And it's not just the TMC have come, the BJP has also come, By Rupang has come, By Rupang is also from the government. Then Bharat Adalbat has also come. He belongs to the KNAM. So how can you say that this is a political issue? Now let me come to the people that we also want to meet. So today morning we also met with Ba HM Sampliang. And Ba HM Sampliang is also one who has been very vocal about the issues of the teachers. So he came in support, not as a politician, but he came in support as a person with a heart and a soul. Now let's come to the people that I actually want them to come here. I will name them. Number 1, I want Kong Amparin Lyngdoh to please come here. Understand us. We for the last 4 days and a half we have been here. Why I want Kong Amparin to come here is because Kong Amparin has been the HOD of the mass media department in St. Anthony's College. So she has been a teacher and now she is in the government. I want her to come here to understand female teachers. It breaks my heart, but what can I do? We also have to seek the support of everyone. So thank you to each and every single one of you who are here. The next politician that I want to come forward is Ba Jaminu Mautho from UDP. Now why do I want Ba Jaminu to also come here? Because he has also been a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, which is also one of the best universities in the Northeast. So Ba Jaminu has also been a teacher in his life. He is a politician now, but we are waiting. Where are you? You are teachers. You are supposed to come here and understand the plight of the teachers. It doesn't matter to which party you belong to. I want you to come here. I want you to understand us. And I want you to fight for us. We do not know whether you are not coming for what reason. But I just want you to come here as a fellow teacher who has been a teacher before. So I will urge these two people. Please come. Kong Amparin Lyngdoh, the ex-HOD of the Mass Communication Department in St. Anthony's College, and Ba Jaminu Mautho of Northeastern Hill University. Please come, understand us. The HYC came, the KSU came, HENM came, AIM came, HITO came, then the TUR came, and so many others. The state also came, so many others who have come. What is my dream actually? My dream is where people live in a society where all they come together as one, they fight for one cause, and they seek a better future. See, for the very first time in a very long time, look at these tents. This is being constructed by the Khasi Students Union. This is being constructed by the Hinyotrat Youth Council, and that is being constructed by the HNYF. We did that, but it's their trapal, it's their bamboos. And so many other Seng, Bhalang have come. They have given us food, they have given us water, they have given us whatever we need. These trapals that we're also sitting here, it's all from these people. So for the very first time, we are seeing in the very same place, all of these people in the society, they are coming together. And Bak Prestun, this is not political. This is the change that we want to bring. A change where we come together as one, a change where we understand each other, we help each other, and we grow together. This is what we want the politics of Meghalaya to look like. If you think this is political, if you say that this is political, then yes, Pak Prestun Tensong, this is exactly the face of politics that we want to see in Meghalaya. We're all people, irrespective of what sections you come together, you live together, and to bring what we deserve. That is the enhancement and the increment in a notification and by order. Yes. And last but not the least, I have listed the people who we want to come here. But the most important people that we want to come here are the people who are ministers in the MDA government. You are ministers. Doesn't matter you belong to which political party. You belong to the PDF. Let's talk about a little bit about the different kinds of ministers. We have someone who is holding the agricultural sector, we have someone who is holding the education, we have someone who is holding the urban affairs, we have someone who is holding the finance, and so on and so forth. We want all of you to come here, to understand us, to sit with us. We will meet you, we will shake your hand, pictures will be taken while we are shaking your hand. And if someone says that this is political, then yes, it is political, because we want change. We want all of you, the opposition and the ruling. Do not think where you are sitting. Come together, work together. You are representatives of the people. You are selected by the people. Don't think that the moment you sit there in your seats, you change who you are. So please come. I am tearing up right now because this has been going on for the last 5 days. I see these teachers here from far-flung places. Slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. She still came. She still came. But what does the government do? The government does not know because they are sitting there. They don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, you are sitting there. Why are you not speaking? The names that I've already taken, why are you not speaking? Why are you not speaking? Because you are afraid of the next election. Election will come and go. But the human soul, once it goes, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart, it will not play games anymore. We are tired of games. We are tired of games. Do not send these officers to tell us to go back. We will not go back. We will not go back. Now we will stay here until and unless we get our demands. We will not blame you if we fall sick. We will not blame anyone. It is us because we choose to be here. But please solve this issue as soon as possible.